Yes, tama yung nakita niyo sa title. Dahil ang YouTube channel ko ay 4 years na, and my first video was uploaded last December 21, 2021. At ito ay Cinder Elevator sa Batangas. Yes, elevator ang unang pumasok sa aking isip. And yes, maabot ako ng 4 years para lang umabot ng ganitong video so that I can finally record, okay? So, bakit nga ba ako nag-record na yon? That is because 4 years na ako sa YouTube channel ko, which I created this YouTube channel since December 20, 2021. At hanggang na yon, buhay pa din ako. Okay? So, as you can see, as you heard a while ago, ang first video na in-upload ko ay noong December 21, 2021, and I uploaded videos in the next following days after that video. And in one of those videos, pinakita ko pa yung sarili ko sa Squid Game Season 1 Plus version na ito ay naganap noong December 27, 2021. That's my first time being me as Cuphead at pagiging bida ko sa Squid Game. Yes, ako ang main character ng Squid Game at sa Squid Game mo. Okay? So actually, in the past 2 series, ako pala ang main character. So guys, kapag hindi nyo ako kilala, ako ang pala si Cuphead. Okay? Ako ang bida sa buong YouTube channel ng Elevators and Others PH. Okay? Okay, so, I'm gonna tell you the date of what happened dahil ang subscribers ay very good para sa akin. So, umabot tayo ng 100 subscribers around August to July 2022, something I don't know. Pero yun ang alam ko sa statistics ng YouTube. And, umabot tayo ng 200 subscribers noong July 2024. So, it's like mabagal ang aking growth from gap ng almost around 2 years. And finally, umabot tayo ng 300 subscribers in last July 2025. So, parang 1 year lang ang gap from 200 to 300. So, kumbaga, nag-i-improve ako sa mga subscribers ko. But I don't ask that anyways. Okay? So, sa mga nagsusubscribe sa akin, maraming salamat sa inyo. I didn't even try my best to upload a video. Pero, so far, ang pinaka-popular video sa aking YouTube channel ay SM Center Pulilan Hyundai Elevator. This one has 14,000 views. Okay? Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pag-nood dito because this elevator is cool and may touchless features, and this mall is hard to find dahil province ito at kailangan mo pa magbiyahe sa iba't ibang panig ng kalsada sa Pilipinas so that you can finally go to SM Center Pulilan. Okay? Okay, so anyways, this is not the real reason why I'm recording this. Dahil ang YouTube channel ko sa name ay Elevators and Plus PH. Yun ang aking first title sa aking YouTube channel. And then my second title was changed to Elevators and Roblox PH. Dahil ang content ko dati ay Roblox. Pero since Roblox is not a catchy title, I made another choice. So my third title after that was Elevators and Others PH. Yan, so maybe the titles of my YouTube channel is very catchy enough. And so therefore, ang Elevators and Others PH ay very attractive dahil ang Others ay pwede itong plus version, Roblox, it can be anything. Para hindi useless ang Roblox title kasi ang wala naman sense pag Roblox because it's like, it's big and the one viewer will say, "Uy, ano to? Ano to pare? But may Roblox, may wala man lack ng Roblox videos." Yeah. Pero actually, ang first choice ng aking nasa utak para sa YouTube channel ko ay Elevators. Okay. So, formally, hindi dapat Others. So, yeah, dapat Elevators lang. But since I was bored with Elevators, I tried with my second choice, which is my Others, na may kasama pa itong Plus version era. Okay? So, ang others na yun ay Plus version era. And speaking of that, unfortunately, I'm gonna tell you guys na ang Plus version era ay matatapos in 2026, which is next year. Okay? Pero, nagtataka kayo. Ba't ko kailangan tapusin tong Plus version era na ito? That is because, hindi lahat ng bagay na nakikita nyo ay matatagal. For me, hindi dapat akong gumawa ng Plus version era sa aking YouTube channel because my YouTube channel relies more on elevator contents dahil gusto ko ang pag-i-improve ng elevator na yon, the quality over quantity. Yung quality dapat maganda and dapat worthy siya paggamit sa building na yon. That's why I filmed elevators sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. But for my second choice Plus version era, ba't ko ito ni-record? Dahil I was a sport. So, I tried to create one which is from Squid Game at ayun, medyo pinanood ko to ng ilang beses sa aking YouTube channel and I got fun even though 200 views lang ang mga videos ko sa aking YouTube channel. And I don't care about it anyways. Pero sa mga nanonood dyan, thank you so much. I appreciate your kindness. Okay? So, bilang si Kapen, I showed up in Squid Game 1 plus version, Squid Game 2 plus version, Squid Game 3 plus version, and finally, Squid Gamo 1 plus version. So, dalawang series akong pinakita yung sarili ko bilang si Cuphead. So, bidang media talaga ako. But, however, my character arc ends in 2026. So, Plus version era ay matatapos din in 2026. Bakit ka ba? That is because I don't want to get bored and I want to make things balanced. And as you can see, all good things must come to an end. Okay? Sa 4 years kong makakasama sa inyo, I just want to thank you sa manonood sa aking my acting skills, my voice skills, and whatsoever. Okay? I tried my best, pero thank you guys. Okay? So, I have Squid Game and Squid Gamo. Okay? So guys, matatapos na ang aking pagbibita in 2026 sa aking YouTube channel dahil meron pa ako isa pang season which is Squid Gamo Season 2 which is my final season and that will be my proper send off para matapos ito ng maayos just for you guys. Okay? Kailan ba i-release ako Squid Gamo Season 2? Well, hindi ko masabi but hindi ko pa na-edit at finalize na maayos ang mga episodes. So, I'm gonna release it maybe in sometime in 2026. So, hindi ko masabi talaga, no? Sometimes I'm busy, sometimes I'm not. Okay? Pero, matatapos na to in a few months, ang aking era. So, guys, spend your time wisely watching my video kasi once na nag-release ko ang final episode ng Squid Gamo Season 2 next year, magpapaalam na tayo. And, ang last episode ng Squid Gamo Season 2 ay message at proper send off sa para sa aking Plus version era para matapos ito naman ng maayos. Okay? But don't worry, just because I ended my Plus version era doesn't mean my YouTube channel has completely left out. Okay? Mag-upload pa rin ako ng elevators because my first choice was elevators. So I have to rely more on elevators kasi yun ang dahilan kung bakit susubscribe yung mga tao sa akin. Okay? 80% of the subscribers are subscribed because of my elevators content. So dapat hindi ako mag-realize sa Plus version really too much. Alright? So, 100 subs noong July to August 2022, 200 subs noong July 2024, and finally, 300 subs noong July 2025. And, as this time of recording, meron na tayong 160 videos. So, madami na nun, grabe. We have 340 subscribers, maraming salamat sa inyo. And finally, a popular na video ay 14,000 views. Grabe, ang laki. Okay? And finally, at this time of recording, umabot tayo ng total ng views sa aking buong YouTube channel ng 146,000 views. So, I'm pretty happy with that. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa inyo and happy 4 years anniversary sa aking YouTube channel. But before we end, meron akong papakita sa inyo na mangyayari sa 2026. Alright? Here we go!